all they've done is at a loss. This year, we are expecting to start again. Hopefully, we'll make appointments to talk to some of the senators. Our main goal is the resolution. Once we get the resolution voted on and passed, we can do a lot with that resolution. But right now, it's hard for them to recognize us unless we get that resolution. So hopefully this spring, God willing, we will start sending out emails and meeting with some of their staff. It's in God's timing. You need to rely on God. But we don't know what His plan is for us. We just gotta be patient. We just gotta pray. We gotta encourage one another. Because it's sometimes He wants us to be patient. He's not gonna give it to you right away. Sometimes He'll take things away from you. He'll open a door. You think that's the door that you need to go through, and then all of a sudden He closes for you. I see it in the life of my dad. He's worked so hard. He's been to the United Nations. He's been to Italy, to the European Union. He's been to Congress here. But each time, we thought that something was going to happen, but it ended up not happening. But it doesn't mean that God doesn't still, is still not working. So we need to trust Him, and we need to continue to pray, stay strong. We all need to stay together. Because what they want is to break us apart. They're waiting for us to fall apart. But the stronger we stay, the better it is. So I'm not gonna stop. But I am gonna pray, and I'm gonna wait to see what God has for us. Because you never know. Maybe this spring, maybe next week, maybe another year. Something may happen in Cambodia. Something may happen in Vietnam. Something, because Trump still has things that he needs to do in Southeast Asia. So let's just pray and then see what happens. Okay, trust in God. That's the main thing. I know my dad says trust in the Lord because you can't do it on your own. Thank you.
International support for his, to go back to Cambodia. So we have to support the CRB and also just lift everything up to God, because I know now we want everything so quick. It's God's time, He's gonna open the door for us. He knows what's best for us, and it could be this year, next year, the year after. We don't know, He's gonna let us know. It could be 10 years from now. We don't know. But just as long as we stick together, help each one of us, and pray for the people in Cambodia and Vietnam. We need to lift them up, and also, the churches out there. We need to support the churches. It is important that we continue to support the church, because our life on earth is quick. We don't know what's going to happen. So, we want to make sure that, everybody can saved, just got to help. Just got to get the church, because that's the most important thing. We don't want to leave anybody behind. Because, one day we'll all be in heaven, and we'll have a new body. The body that we have right here, no more pain, no more sickness, we'll be up there rejoicing, I mean, what's better than that, So, let's continue 2020, let's make it strong. Support everybody, and if it goes one direction and the doors are closed, we'll find another direction. Continue to go. We're not going to leave, if we stop now, everything that was done 2004, 2002, 2004, all the people that stood up for the marks and
này trong trong đây là cái quảng tít và cái tơ ghé rồi là không sao thì mình và nặng lên lên cảm còn cái đó sẽ bên môn này mua vào thì là em mua sau đi là cái khoản người quen này đây cái người ta học dư ở chỗ để có mau sắm cái làm cho áo và các bạn tham gia mình vào cái chút nào là vì là gia thì các tự nhiên bằng cái này thì là mình đã tự nhiên thì sẽ là để làm lại được cái
các anh em tham gia tạm tin yang lain itu pada para pegawai yang dengan demikian tak ada hal dari tahu tak ada beri pantua maka tepat dan patah dan tata semua mana boleh semua kalau ini pampung mau buat jatuh dan berdiri tapi tak pun yang berdiri jatuh lagi tapi tak hidup elak oleh
đây chỉ rằng ra dưới vòng đây vòng ra đi vòng gọn tôi chậm đi vòng ra không mở ra không mở ra không này ra cái này rồi ra cái này ra gọn một tuần nó coi ô tu nào phạt có cái phao cái trai gây thâu thì nhủ phao cái trai cái chết thì nhủ rồi bây giờ mọi người sức chiến màn mai nhưng mà được cái chấp với mà mai vừa lên cái bự đó nhưng mà một tuần tham con mà bọn các bạn sẽ chắc cái này bàn làm một lần này đang vui nhớ bạc không mạng thì là những đang bạc nhưng mà chắc anh đã ta chỉ run cái đam này phải chấp với mặtรับเป็นความหมดดังนั้นต้องกระดาษพิจารณาต้องพูดถึงปัญญาความคิดไปแล้วก็ประเด็นเดียวหาเป็นเป็นขั้นตอนที่มาเส้นเดบิโดคณะเหมือนครอบเกินพายากไปเลยนี่นะดิ้งได้มาได้แต่ได้เงินไม่ได้จับไม่อยากเป็นยี่แม่ยิ่งแม่ได้ก็ให้เลยได้ก็กระดาษสร้างได้ก็กระดาษที่เนี่ยโอ้ยอยากพลาดอยู่ที่ยังไม่เราพยายามพยายามทำให้มันให้ดูพลาดไปสอนจำอะไรพลาดไปสอนจำยังไงคนไม่ได้ครับต้องเรียนรู้ที่ได้ที่เราเลยเรียนรู้ได้ครับยิ่งรู้ได้ไม่อยากรู้ทำอยากให้ทำเองมันจะ Kamu boleh ikut yang kau jauh kita boleh jangan senang kuat dan yang tak memang info beri mul tak buat kau itu itu masuk itu mah tak tapi nang tak nang mul tak legon kau pada kan bang pada oh kalau aku ikut naik mau kau tu jual mencar meh kau jual tampuk meh sang trong kita meh yang kau beli aja jauh kai dah kau jual tim con meh kita kerja pertama tapi kupi là beli aja nak kau buat meh saya đây cái con bạn rồi Bro để gì lên là ta cho nó sang em nó được buôn hoa lên đó. Để đặt sai nên về nào mà cô vào lại thì hoặc bao nhiêu